Hi, here is the Fuji DL-312 zoom. Overall conditions. Okay, here is the battery compartment. Using one CR1238 battery. Let me just put accordingly. Okay, wait for it. Okay, next step, by pulling here to open the back cover, it will be like this because the loading way is like from the bottom to the top. Then here's the film. But the film, we need to push it up like this. Okay, we pull the film tip to here. Okay, you can see here got a green line, which you pull until like this part will do. Yeah, no need like too long or something but just remember, don't too short will do. Yeah. Okay. Push it in. So you can like slightly adjust a bit by using your hand, because this film I used many times, so yeah, it's a little bit cracked or something. Yeah, you just close it and you will auto load. Okay, so we'll load to the max, then we shoot backward. Yeah, okay. When it stops, then means that we can start shooting. Here is the on-off button and the mode button. Then we just turn it. Yeah. Lens is clean and clear. And here's the zoom. Zoom in. Zoom out. Here's the shutter. Here's the viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, you'll find out at the center point here, got a dot and a group bracket, we will say. So you just use that bracket to aim whatever you want to focus. Half press. Okay, if it light up like this, it doesn't blink, means that it's okay. You just click it. So it's like move backward. Here will show how many shots you have you left. Okay. So yeah, when it's blinking, means that either is the flash doesn't ready yet, it's charging, or it can't focus. So every time you want to shoot, you just like half press. If it doesn't blink, then you just click it. Okay. Then here got like different kind of mode This one is like red eye reduction, but I feel like it's not that much difference Okay. Then this one is force flash, night mode, off the flash, and landscape. Then here got another mode. It's like the timer. Timer also same. It took like 10 seconds. So the shooting way is you click the timer button, is appear, then we half press and press it. Here have a red light up, means that it start counting. It took around 10 seconds like that. When it's almost there, it will start blinking. Yeah. Okay. Next, try another mode. This one is like 2 timer, 3. Then this one is the remote, continuous shooting. Okay, try it. If I didn't release it, will keep shooting Yeah. Okay. Then the INT is like every 60 seconds it will take 1 shot Okay. So the overall is like this. And if you didn't use it, you just like off it. Normally I would recommend you just use the auto mode will do Okay. Then next is about the date function, date imprinting. Okay. You can adjust the date by yourself. The date mode, click it. Okay, so now it's 93. It's like the year month date Then we click the select SEL, then it will blink. When it start blinking, we click the set to adjust it until 2025. Sorry, yeah, it doesn't until 2025. So some people, they will switch to this mode, the date and the time. But if you don't want, click like this will do. Yeah. Okay. So the overall is like this. When you shoot finish, it will auto rewind. And here might appear a E, the letter elephant. Yeah, E. Then when the sound is stopped, then only open the back cover and took out your film. If not, don't open the back cover. Because if you took out, you open the back cover, the film will be exposed and some of your shot will like gone or something Yeah. Okay. And here's the panorama mode, and it also like, it just like cropping it lah. Yeah, so I wouldn't recommend. And here got a small dial. And here it's designed for those people who wear specs, because when you wear specs and when you look into the viewfinder, it's like not that convenient and not that comfortable. So some people, they will take off their maybe the specs then or the glasses, then you just look into it and you adjust this button. When it's clear, then it means that it's okay. Yeah. So yeah, overall it's like this. Hope you enjoy it.